Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing fine. Guys, my friend called me. He asked me to go for a tea and I don't know, really he surprised me. See what surprise he have for me. Tan, tan, tan. Guys, it's 24 karat gold biscuits and it's KARAT tea with zafaran, and I think it's also have some gold flakes in that one. So guys, let's see how is the taste. Guys, really I cannot imagine that he surprised me this one. Really I'm very happy that he surprised me with different thing. That's good. I can share with you also, guys. So let's go and try this biscuit. Tea time with 24 karat biscuit and it have some chocolate flavor. Guys, they are telling it's original 24 karat gold. So let me know, comment below. It's original or just a flake like that. KARAT tea is nice too. Guys, I don't like to eat more sweets. I'm full. My cameraman will eat this one after this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on my next video.